Hello, this is me. I am from Lithuania, and today I am going to talk about our team's innovation project. CO2 emissions harm the world a lot, and one of the big emitters are the brick manufacturing industries, emitting over 1.8 million tons of CO2 annually. Also, heat isolation emits large quantities too. For example, 1 ton of fiberglass emits 2.5 tons of CO2, which is almost unthinkable compared to 258 kilograms of CO2 per 1 ton of bricks. So, we came up with an idea to use different types of recycled packaging, like plastic and cardboard, to build a house. We, Team Lithuania, think that working with other teams in FIRST is very important, and that's what we based our innovation project on. We decided to draw inspiration from the best of the best, so we chose Team Aldertron Robotics from Tenerife, who won the first Global Innovation Award in 2020, and their project was called EWAL, a brick made from recycled cardboard and fountain grass. But one problem quickly arose. It rains a lot in countries like Lithuania, and homebuyers could be scared that cardboard bricks may collapse. So we came up with an idea. Why don't we use plastic bricks outside as the main structural support and EWAL bricks inside as heat and sound isolation? This way, we can protect the more fragile cardboard bricks from harsh outside climate. But why did we choose plastic bricks? First of all, they emit 10 times less CO2 during the production than typical bricks. Also, you can make plastic bricks from recycled plastic bottles, making them even more eco-friendly. They are also stronger than typical bricks and well suited for 1 to 2 story houses. We researched plastic bricks a lot, and even agreed with Vilnius University chemistry faculty that they will help us to make plastic brick prototypes. That is all for our project in this video. Thank you for watching.